What is the best way to buy precious metals? You'll see a lot of other videos out there about, gold silver ratios. You'll see videos about, buy when interest rates are at a certain percentage or if they're moving up or moving down. Or only buy, during these times on a chart with some indicator that tells you to buy or sell. And that's fine, but I think there's even an even better way to buy precious metals. Welcome to Ocotillo Mining Company, your source for gold and silver premium bullion coins. So how do you buy precious metals, or what do I think is the best way? I think the best way is to do it with other people's money. And I don't mean borrowing money or getting a loan to buy your precious metals. I mean, but finding a way to make your purchases with money that's not really yours. You didn't, quote, work for it to get it. You didn't trade time for dollars. And there are a number of different ways to do it, and I've done all of these things in the past, and I still continue to do them. And let me go over them with you. And the first one is the Vaynerchuk method. Gary Vaynerchuk is an internet marketing guru, and he'll look you straight in the eye and he'll tell you, do you have any money? And if you answer no, he'll tell you to go to Craigslist, Facebook, anywhere you can get free stuff, clean it up, make it work, repair it if you have to, take a good picture and resell it. Whatever you get for it, that money is yours. Okay, now what's a fair price on an old sofa or an old TV or an old bicycle? I don't know, but you can use that money to buy your precious metals. I've done this myself numerous times. Bicycles, TVs, other electronics, cell phones. I did the same make and model of a rugged waterproof cell phone. I did that 24 times, okay? And I would do it more if it hadn't changed from 3G to 4G. Okay, so it was a great way to make a little money. Sometimes I made $5, sometimes I made $50. Didn't matter. I used that money to buy precious metals. Okay. The next thing you can do is trading, and this can be with anything. It can be with anything. Baseball cards, scrap metal, aluminum, brass, copper, steel, iron, and so on. Christmas tree lights. It takes some work to find the metal in the first place, store it, and then take it to a recycler. But whatever you get, turn that into something valuable. Silver or gold coins. All right, and in the spirit of trading, if you have a retail brokerage account, talk to your financial advisor or your broker about this, but you can sell options against your stocks that you own. And sometimes this will get you $50, sometimes it'll get you $1,000, depends on the stock you own and how much you have of it. But that money is yours. All right, and the stockbroker will go over some more conditions about that money, but for the most part, it is yours. All right, it belongs to you. Use that for your gold and silver purchases. Some stocks trade in a range, and so you got to know when to buy and when to sell. And if it's only a $100, $200, $300 turnaround, a flip, every time that stock goes from a buy to a sell, fine. Take that money. It's yours. Well, not now it is. It was somebody else's a few minutes ago, but take that money and put that into gold or silver coins. Okay. Same thing with cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are very volatile, and if you know how to trade, or if you know how to read a chart or recognize when it's a good time to buy or a good time to sell, or how to manage risk, take your profits from cryptocurrency trading and buy gold and silver. Also, there's a cryptocurrency out there called PAXG, and it's just a digital representation of a 400-ounce bar of gold somewhere in London, and you can buy fractional amounts of it. So whether it's $50 or $10,000 or more, you get paid about 5% per year to own that cryptocurrency, and you can get that crypto. I use BlockFi to do this, but there are plenty of other online wallets and brokerages that allow you to do this. But you can either take the dividends in PAXG, you can take it in Bitcoin, you can take it in a stable coin, or you can take it in good old American cash. And then convert that into gold and silver. Right, so I hope this gives you some good ideas on what to do to pick up gold and silver bullion at really, quote, no cost to you. There may be some taxes involved, there may be some other minor expenses along the way, but that's money that's yours. You're free to do with what you want. And if you can now buy gold and silver with complete disregard for market direction, premiums, shipping costs, how rare or special the coin is. Is it a proof coin? Is it a slab coin? Is it a limited mintage coin? It doesn't matter. If you got the money, buy it. All right, and I think that'll add to your enjoyment of the hobby, because now you're not stressing over, should I get this ugly looking coin for a low premium, or should I get a really pretty coin that I want and I'll be proud to own at a higher price. When you're making these purchases with money you've earned from other sources, you'll be able to make that good decision and be completely happy about it. All right, well, you've watched Ocotillo Mining Company. If it ain't worth owning, we don't sell it.